Welcome, everyone. Today we dive into DataStage, a fantastic ETL tool that makes data integration seamless. Whether you're handling batch or real-time processing, DataStage has got you covered. Plus, it plays well with various databases and big data tech. Think of it as the friendly neighborhood superhero for your data pipelines. Hi, everyone. I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Alright, so why is DataStage such a big deal? Simple, it ensures your data is clean, consistent, and useful for making smart business decisions. Automation is the cherry on top. It takes care of tedious data workflows so you can focus on what really matters, like enjoying your coffee while DataStage does the heavy lifting. Now let's talk Tokt Sessions. Sounds fancy, right? But it's just a way to manage communication between DataStage components, like a traffic cop directing the data flow. It ensures everything runs smoothly, securely, and tracks errors along the way. If only we had Tokt Sessions for managing our weekend plans. Setting up a Tokt Session is like setting up a new gadget. Configure it properly, check access permissions, and keep an eye on logs to catch any hiccups. Optimization is key to keeping things running fast. Just like tuning up a car, but thankfully, no greasy hands involved. Let's talk about how DataStage clients and servers work together, kind of like a well-orchestrated dance. First, we need to grasp the structure. Then, setting up connections is a breeze if we follow the right steps. Of course, there's always the occasional trip-up, but knowing how to troubleshoot helps. And as with any dance, a few best practices can make everything look effortless. SQL in DataStage is a powerhouse when used wisely. We can seamlessly weave queries into DataStage operations, but optimizing their performance is key. Smooth transformations make data manipulation feel like magic, and steering clear of common mistakes ensures we don't turn that magic into disaster. So let's dive in and make SQL work for us. Performance optimization. It sounds fancy, but really it's just about working smarter. Bottlenecks are like traffic jams, and we need to clear them. Partitioning data wisely keeps things organized, and parallel processing. That's like getting multiple lanes on the highway. Lastly, monitoring ensures we don't end up in a pileup. Let's keep things running smoothly. Security, because no one wants their data running loose like an escaped zoo animal. Encryption keeps things locked down, and managing user permissions ensures the right people have access, and the wrong ones don't. Spotting risks early helps avoid disasters, and strong authentication makes sure everyone entering is actually supposed to be there. Welcome to the advanced zone where DataStage gets a turbo boost. Real-time processing makes things fast, custom scripts give us automation superpowers, and complex transformations let us shape data like digital sculptors. Best of all, scalable techniques mean we're ready for whatever comes next. Enough theory, let's see how DataStage actually performs in the wild. From case studies to business benefits, we'll see how companies use it effectively. Of course, real-world challenges exist, but overcoming them is part of the game. And the future, let's just say exciting innovations are on the way. And that's a wrap. We covered a lot, from client-server connections to performance optimizations and security. Using DataStage effectively makes all the difference, and avoiding common pitfalls keeps us on track. The goal: mastering DataStage like a pro and unlocking its full potential. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.